Hey guys, it's Nicole here at the Braised Fork, and I just wanted to share with you today a simple and easy lunchtime recipe. Most of you are probably on Christmas break right now like we are, and it has been raining like crazy. And since I have plenty of food left here from the holidays and absolutely no desire to go out to eat, I'm going to show you the simple and quick steak quesadilla that I made for me and the kids on this rainy afternoon. So I hope you enjoy. And I completely forgot to add it. I actually did add some hot peppers, jalapenos, and what I believe to be a moruga hot pepper to my steak quesadilla, as well as some onions, Worcestershire sauce, bacon chipotle seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Remember to season your meat just a little bit or to taste before you place it in the quesadilla. I also shaved a ribeye that we had. I didn't want to use the whole ribeye, so I did some shaved steak instead. So just had to add that in there. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy lunch recipe video. Remember to hit the bell below and like or subscribe to see more of our awesome videos. And don't forget, you can view the full recipe on my blog, Braised Fork, at braisedfork.com. Thanks. Bye.